little chilly, but other than that, blue skies and a very nice wind out of the north, 10 to 15. Seas are barely lumpy. It's a comfortable motion. You got to be anywhere. This is probably the place to be. Take it from somebody who has lived here for 35 years. I don't know. Tell me what you think. It's a place for sailors and people who love the water and nature. Sadness goes out to all the people in the area and around the world for the loss of winter dolphin aquarium past. But as they say, we all have an expiration date.